ओम नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर महादेव.
Zuban, my first break. Every other film, I got it through a screen test. Right here. I was a Mitibai student.
Oh wow!
For 2 years of my life, I have stood at this bus stop. I was a science student, so my classes used to be from 7:30 to 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And I used to stand at the bus stop over here, wait for 79, 33, 38. These were the 3 buses that used to take me home. And I want to know, how much does the vada pav cost over here now?
It's pretty steep now. It's pretty steep.
30? 20? So when I was doing my junior college in Mitibai, this was 2001 to 2003.
By the way, when was the last time you had a vada pav?
Vada pav. I keep having vada pav on set. Yeah, I call for vada pavs. But in 2001 to 2003, I was in Mitibai. And that time, the vada pav used to be of 5 rupees. 5 rupees. फिर जब मैं 12th में चला गया, तब वो 6 रुपए हो गया क्योंकि अमूल बटर के साथ लगाते थे वो.
Yes.
And I remember those days I used to be given pocket money by my parents, and my pocket money was 600 rupees a month, which was 20 rupees a day.
Right.
So from Lokhandwala to here, 5 rupees bus ki ticket, 5 rupees bus ki ticket, 10 rupees, 5 rupees vada pav, and 5 रुपए I used to save so that 2 हफ्ते बाद चंदन में एक पिक्चर देखनी है. या फिर पिक्चर नहीं देखनी है तो हर दूसरे दिन फिर मैं एक एनर्जी पीता था. एनर्जी मिलती है अभी भी अभी? Yeah. So energy I used to love. So I've started from here.
Right.
And then of course I did my engineering from Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Technology. Till that time, I'm still that guy, but I've always believed in living in the present, going with the flow, and just being completely honest to what I'm doing now. I didn't really plan my life back then कि मुझे एक्टर बनना है या मुझे इंजीनियर बनना है या जो भी बनना है. मैं इस समय मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है, मैं पढ़ाई करता था, या जो भी मजे करने मजे करता था. That's it. कोई अगर पूछता था क्या करना है तो सब MBA कह रहे हैं तो मैं भी MBA कह देता था. जब सबने GRE कहना शुरू कर दिया मैं भी GRE कहने लग गया. तो द प्लान वॉज टू डू पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन. फिर देखते हैं कहाँ जाती है जिंदगी. एंड आई वॉज गुड इन स्टडीज, बट आई वॉज वेरी एक्टिव ऑन स्टेज सिंस चाइल्डहुड. बट ओनली सबकॉन्शियसली आई लव डूइंग दैट. बट तब तक मुझे लगता था इट्स जस्ट एन हॉबी, कि मुझे अच्छा लगता है बीइंग ऑन स्टेज, परफॉर्मिंग फॉर एन ऑडियंस. बट नेवर रियली थॉट दैट आई वॉन्ट टू मेक इट अ करियर choice. Right. So when I was doing my engineering in the second year, the college faculty took us to an industrial visit to show us ki bachchon, this is your future. You know, when you pass out, you complete your graduation, this is how an MNC looks, this is how the work,
Right.
whatever, the floor looks, and
Correct.
how people work. And that was that one day that I felt something so purely in my life for the first time, that my andar ghusa and I'm like, this is not for me.
Exactly not what I want.
ये टक 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 is not for me. मैं पहुंच जाऊंगा. Academics is supporting, the way I'm functioning in my exams it's supporting. मैं पहुंच जाऊंगा, but I can't connect. This is not me. And that was the first time I thought कि Vicky, what now? What do you want to do? Because there's no point doing post graduation in the same field.
Correct.
If you don't want to eventually come to this chair. So that was the first time I started introspecting as to what do you want to do. So I was thinking, अच्छा यहाँ मुझे नहीं जाना because this is something that I feel I won't enjoy, I won't be happy doing, I won't be self-motivated to do. Then what is it that I really enjoy doing? So the answer was performing for the audience. And that was the first time I thought कि यार actor. And I still remember that moment when I was looking into the mirror and I said and then I looked at myself from top to bottom and I'm like, and then I'm like, but choice नहीं है. And I'm like, चल देखते हैं. And then, but the thing was, the rule was in the family that first you have to finish graduation. You have to finish it well. Actually, to be honest, I really had a ball of a time doing engineering.
Oh.
Yeah. कल को मेरे बच्चे पता नहीं क्या करेंगे, पर मैं engineering में जरूर डालूंगा. Because I have found the best of my friends over there, and मैं तब तक ना till my engineering I was a very shy, coy boy जो मतलब he was not street smart, he was just बेचारा. इंजीनियरिंग ने जो मेरे अंदर का मर्द जगाया है. क्योंकि इंजीनियरिंग में तो it's like it teaches you. It teaches you. All that scrutiny and assignments and projects and all of that teaches you a lot more than just education. It really teaches you the grind. So I had a blast doing my engineering. I finished that, and then in 2009 is when I started my journey as an actor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's how it all began. As audience, we always like to look at the glory days of an actor, of how he's doing well and all the success and fanfare that he's enjoying. But failures is something that we don't talk about. Like everyone has a good share of it. Was it a straightforward journey? Because if I'm not wrong, you started off with assisting Anurag and then your first break. So was it a straightforward journey, or how did you take failures?
It was a straightforward journey, but of course I wanted to learn acting. Of course I wanted to learn the skills. But more than that, I just wanted to be sure that if I'm made to act every day, am I a happier soul or am I cribbing about it? That's what I really wanted to know. So I did that, and by the end of it, I got my answer that I really, really love doing this. After that, I was also sure, I remember I was 22 back then, right after engineering, I was 22. I was in no hurry to be in front of the camera.
Right.
Because I knew that, firstly, camera captures everything. You're a good actor, bad actor, fantastic actor, worst actor. It will present you the way you are, because in acting, your eyes have to be honest, and the camera captures everything. The audience, in 2 seconds of sitting in that cinema hall, in that first shot you give, in that first scene that you do, they know that if you can act or no. And once they've made that judgment that yaar, maza nahi aaya, then it's a very uphill task to really prove your worth to the audience. So I wanted to do all of that before actually coming to the audience.
You were very patient.
So I had kept 5 years in my mind that kam se kam main 5 saal dunga to study this, to learn the tropes, to meet people, learn from them, assist them, do backstage in theatre, do everything that is related to cinema and acting, learn all that I can before I'm fairly even confident to face the camera and come in front of the audience. So it's very strange, because when I was doing that acting course in 2009, I still remember the date was 24th of July 2009, and it was the first day of my acting course, and the teacher, it was a class of 20 students, and they just randomly asked, like, okay, how have your last 5 years been like? And we were all discussing that, and then they asked that, how do you want your next 5 years to be like, and where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? And I really am not a big fan of this question, because I don't know what I'm going to do in the next 5 minutes, and I really don't want to know where I'm going to be. Sometimes where you think you're going to be in the next 5 years is much smaller than what God has planned for you. So I don't want to limit myself in that thought process. But still, but I was asked that question, and just because it was the first day of the class, and I ये नहीं बोलना चाहता था that I don't like that question, because I thought that they might just throw me out of the school. So I just answered that, sir, 5 साल लगेंगे या 6 साल लगेंगे, you'll see my poster in front of a cinema hall. और ये मैंने ऐसे ही बोल दिया था. I just said that with all belief कि 5-6 साल लगेंगे. I'll do theatre, I'll assist somebody, I'll do behind the scene work, and I'll be there. This was 24th July 2009, and 24th July 2015 was the day when Masaan released, and my poster was there on a cinema hall. It's exactly 5 years, and it's just sometimes things like these make me believe in belief. Like believe in belief that you just have to sometimes just give it out there. Just give it out and do it. Like sometimes it's not necessary for you to know how it's going to happen, but it's very necessary for you to believe that it's going to happen. If you believe that it's going to happen is when the how takes care of itself. So I mean, you guys are going to start and do whatever you want to do in life, but never lose that belief. That's step one. Before skill, before talent, before everything else, that's step one.
Great. That's
and I also want to give a disclaimer that I tend to forget my questions, and I go on a different trip. So just get me back whenever you feel like it.
More to do with the failure part, which
failure.
Yes.
फेलियर की तो बात ही नहीं कि प्रवचन देने लग गया. Failure, yes, I saw.
I think it's very important, because when you look at the youngsters now, they are very bad at accepting rejection, and failure is something that rattles them.
Yeah.
So I think it's equally important how you receive failure, because that's going to happen at some point of time. So how did you receive failure? Because there are a lot of people who look up to you and would
No, I
want-
feel failures must rattle you. I feel they must rattle you. They must shake you up, because it's only something good that comes out of it. Failure, I feel, is also one of the beginning stages for success.
Right.
People say that persistence and perseverance are the two tricks for success. But I feel failure has also got to do a big part in that.
Right.
I remember my first ever audition. My first ever audition was after I was an assistant on Gangs of Wasipur with Anurag Kashyap, and I got to interact with some fantastic actors on set. Then I started doing theatre with Nasir Saab, Manav Kaul, Kumud Mishra, and I was doing theatre in Prithvi, NCP and everywhere. And that's when I thought कि चलो यार मैं audition देना शुरू करता हूँ. Let's face it. Let's face the camera. Let's start giving audition. And I remember this was for the film Bhag Milkha Bhag, not for the lead part, but a friend's part in the film, which eventually got edited out heavily. That happens.
Behind
that
the
happens
takes.
that happens in films. But it was for that part. And I remember the casting director, Haneet Rehan, he's one of the sweetest fellows in the industry. He took out like 3 hours for me. He called me to his office, and we were trying to crack a scene. And that day I realized I can't act. Because in 3 hours, I could see it in their behavior, how much they're really trying to make me act. But I just couldn't. I just couldn't. And that night, मुझे लग रहा था कि यार जो जॉब इंटरव्यू का लेटर मैंने पढ़ा था वो सही किया कि गलत किया. तो यहाँ तो बहुत दूर लग रहा है मुझे कुछ भी करना. एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर दैट नाइट फेसबुक पे मेरा एक पोस्ट भी चला गया था इमोशनल होके. फेसबुक पे मैंने लिख दिया था आपने तो मेरी आंखें खोल दी. But that night I couldn't sleep. I just couldn't sleep. But it's only when you surpass these days, and there's so many days that came my way, such days that came my way. But I don't know how, but every day in the morning, and there was one rule that I had set for myself. Being an actor ना एक बहुत complacent जगह पे भी आप आ जाते हो. Being an actor आपको लगता है कि because actors I feel when they're starting especially are very tender beings, very fragile beings who are fighting with their inferiority complexes, and somebody just touches on that ना कि अरे ये तो बहुत पतला है इससे नहीं होगा. एक हफ्ते तक you're just thinking about that.
Right.
You know, अरे ये तो थोड़ा काला है ये नहीं होगा. अरे इसके दांत ऐसे. अरे फलाना है whatever, and you just indulging yourself in that, and it's very harmful for any human being to do that. मैं भूल गया.
Failure. I mean,
Failure.
And
I'm failing at this, huh? Majorly. But yeah, I mean, many a times auditions होते थे, and then auditions का process किसी को पता है यहाँ पे कि auditions कैसे होते हैं? Nobody, right? या अभी करना शुरू किया किसी ने? Are there any budding actors in
yes,
this
so
hall?
ours is a media-centric college. We have,
Oh, superb.
So we have master's course as well as bachelors in filmmaking. So a lot of aspiring actors who are here.
Oh, lovely. यार आगे जाके बड़े हो जाओगे तो काम दे देना मेरे को please. But acting में ना जब आप audition के लिए जाते हो तो पहले एक रूम होता है जहाँ पे दरवाजे खटखटाते हैं और बाहर 100-150 लोग बैठे होते हैं. बडिंग एक्टर्स जो सारे ग्लैडर आइस के मॉडल्स लगते हैं. ठीक है. और उसके बीच में जब मेरे जैसा लड़का जाता है तो पहले ही यहाँ तो ना हो रहा कुछ, पर आप खड़े रहते हो. और फिर बाद में एक लिस्ट दी जाती है कि आप अपना नाम लिखो, नंबर लिखो, और फिर वो लिस्ट में जब आपका नंबर आएगा तब आपको अंदर बुलाया जाएगा. फिर 1-1.5 घंटा वेट करने के बाद आपको अंदर बुलाया जाता है. फिर आप देखते हो कि 200 और ग्लैडर आइस के मॉडल अंदर है. और फिर एक कैमरा होता है, एक कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर होता है, एंड देन और एक स्क्रिप्ट दी जाती है आपको कि ये फलाना 5-10 लाइन बोलना है, एंड यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर देन एंड देयर कि आप प्रिपेयर कीजिए और वहाँ पे आप बोलिए. और while you're waiting, all those 100 people are doing their performances. And वहाँ बैठे बैठे you realize so much कि where you stand, because some come which really raise your confidence because you're like इससे तो better ही होगा मैं. And some come which you are like यार मैं निकलता हूँ यहाँ तो नहीं होगा, ये क्या था, इसने तो मुझे रुला दिया. So every day, so that giving 8 to 10 auditions every day And going through this process really like you know आपको अपना level बता देता है. And sometimes what happens is मैं ads के auditions बहुत देता था films के भी, but sometimes you get selected in the top 3. Then you're like yes 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 yes. फिर आपको फोन आता है कि सर आपका बजट क्या है, आप टॉप 3 में आ चुके हो, कल PPM है हमारी, फिर डायरेक्टर्स प्रोड्यूसर्स के साथ बात होगी, फिर हम सिलेक्ट करेंगे. Then you give your budget and then you're waiting for that call. And then वो कॉल करके बताते हैं कि सर आप सिलेक्ट नहीं हुए. Like अरे यार. And then you give auditions and then you get selected again. फिर नहीं होता. फिर मुझे लगा शायद यार बजट की वजह से तो नहीं हो रहा कि and then फिर मैं सिलेक्ट होने लग गया. फिर वो कहता कि सर आप बजट बताओ. मैंने कहा सर आप बजट बताओ. आप बताओ मैं उसमें भी रेडी हूँ. आप मुझे काम दो आप. फिर उसमें भी नहीं होने लग गया तो एटलीस्ट मुझे लगा बजट की वजह से नहीं है, जो भी क्राइटेरियाज है. बट द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज टू जस्ट कीप गोइंग, यू नो, टू जस्ट कीप गोइंग.
Correct.
I have only till about Uri and Manmarzia have been the only 2 films that I have not given a screen test for. I just got picked up by the director कि नहीं तू ही करेगा ये role.
Right.
Otherwise every other film, be it Razi, Sanju, Masan, Raman Raghav, Love Per Square Foot, Zuban, my first break, every other film I got it through a screen test.
Right.
So these are, I could count the number of films on my fingers.
Correct.
But I have given at least 1,000 to 2,000 to 3,000 auditions.
My God.
I have given at least those auditions. And then out of them, I have got 8 films. So the failure rate is much higher.
Yeah.
much higher. But the important thing is to just keep walking. Just keep walking. Just keep walking.
Correct.
Just keep walking. Yeah.
Correct. Great.